Good morning, everyone. Today the topic is life of a woman in the morning. Okay, so we all ladies do face a very crucial time during morning hours, especially when kids are going to school, and same is with me. So let us talk about this today, and let's see for how long we are able to talk. Okay, so I'll start, and since a woman's life starts with kitchen. Okay, the mornings begin with kitchen. Let me share or let me talk about kitchen. So I woke up today at 9 a.m. I filled in the water. See, my water tank is here. I filled in the water. Then I started cooking breakfast for my kids, and my kitchen. Then I packed their tiffin. I dropped them to their school van, and now they have gone to the school. So now, since they have gone, this is the stuff that all I have to do. I have so many dishes lying to wash. Then I have to do dusting. Okay, I have to sweep and do mopping. I have to keep things in place. You can see my computer table. Okay, it's in a mess. I really have to clean it and keep things in place. You can see here that all so many newspapers. I have to complete reading them. They all are lying. Actually, it's a bunch of newspaper which I have to finish reading very soon. It's just that I'm not getting time because I'm busy teaching you guys. I'm busy making these videos. And see, look at my sofa come bed. Here my kids clothes are lying, and here you can see on my stitching machine two clothes are lying. I mean, it is making my house look really weird. And I am not getting time, frankly speaking, to keep things in place. And this is today's newspaper. Then this place also need good dusting. My tray trolley needs dusting. And here this is toy of my daughter shop supermarket. I wish to pack it and keep in this box, but again it's not happening because it does require good time. I need to dismantle it and then keep in this box. And then this box as well, I'm thinking of packing it, wrapping it in a nice paper, and then keep my things in it. And see here, so much of so much pile of a big pile of or a thick pile of blankets and bed sheets. I really need to keep them in a right place, okay, in a right cupboard. But again, I'm facing timing issues. No time. And here you can see this cupboard. I just yesterday uh, kept things in place. It's not easy. A woman's life is not easy. We all have tough times. See, this is the laundry that I have to do. I don't have a servant right now. I don't wish to keep because they really keep you hanging. They don't come on time. They ditch you any moment, and it has happened many a times with me. That's the reason I don't believe in keeping any servant. And plus due to health reason, I wish that I stay fit and fine. That's the secondary reason that I don't wish to keep them or hire them, because health is wealth. And this year my plan is to teach you guys English as well as maintain myself. I mean, maintain my health, because I have a sedentary job that is teaching language, and I have been doing it from years. This time I don't want to do that because I really wish that I maintain myself this time. You can see my bed; it really needs me. it I mean, bedding is needed. Okay, my pillows are not in place. The blankets need folding. You can see here, this my daughter's tent house. I need to wash it, but then again, I'm not getting time. I also show you cobwebs here. They also need me. See, here are the cobwebs. I need to clean them. Actually, I was out for 15 days, on an international trip, and that's the reason things have been taking time. And teaching for me is very important. The precious, most important thing for me is teaching. I wish to teach, continuously without any breaks, because I know a woman's life is always filled with all these tasks. These tasks will never end, and these tasks can wait, but teaching or and learning should never wait. So we spoke, okay, for good 4 to 5 minutes, and this is how these techniques you can learn from me. as soon as you start practicing your language on daily basis. Okay, English is not tough. You just have to speak what you face. You have to talk about your difficulties. You have to talk about your experiences on daily basis. You have to talk about your mornings, your afternoons, your evenings. You can talk about your workplace. You can talk about your kids. You can talk about yourself. Okay, there are, you see here this table of mine. This is again in a mess. It does need me again for dusting. Okay, I really need to keep everything in place. And yes, my bathrooms also need cleaning, mopping and dusting. I mean, it's not too dirty, frankly speaking. Everything is not dirty, I mean, but yes, as a daily cleaning it does need. Okay, but I feel these things can wait, but not teaching and learning should wait. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for supporting me, and I just hope that you guys are learning. Thank you.